Solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you will give before this committee in the matters now under consideration.
Raised wages and expanded benefits for 22,000 entry-level employees to 16.5.
Since the crisis, Citi has become a smaller, safer, stronger, and far less complex institution. We've transformed our institution not just in terms of capital and balance sheet and earnings, but also in terms of control, risk, audit, and compliance. It was the easy part, and as we've learned, rebuilding trust is much harder.
Since the crisis, reforms have made banks much safer and sounder in three important areas: capital, liquidity, and resolution and recovery. Large banks have almost doubled their highest quality capital to protect against losses. Under the Fed's most extreme stress testing scenario, the combined losses of all the 34 banks is only 6% of total capital. Large banks have tripled the liquid assets to protect against unexpected cash flows, and resolution planning has created a credible framework for unwinding a large bank. Lehman simply would not happen again. Legislators and regulators deserve credit for putting these basic rules in place. We work every day to earn the trust and confidence of our customers and the communities we serve. It is essential to how we run.
Along with the rest of the industry, I believe that State Street has learned a number of important lessons from the financial crisis. One of the most important of them was the need to strengthen our top-down risk management systems so that we have better transparency around enterprise-wide risks. We now have stronger independent control functions and higher quality risk analytics.
Thank you, Chairwoman Waters, Ranking Member McHenry, members of the committee. Thank you for having me. On the whole, we've embraced these regulatory changes, and the United States financial system, and Morgan Stanley in particular, are stronger as a result.
And so we review that on a constant basis, whether it's Russian accounts.
Thank you very much.
Dodd-Frank has made the system safer, and we've made important progress in adapting to that regulatory environment. However, after 10 years of experience, it seems appropriate to assess whether improvements can be made to avoid duplication, inconsistency, and undue cost, in particular on our customers and our clients.
We made $8 billion new small business.
The answer is yes or no.
Yes.
You lend to small businesses. Mr. Corbat,